Yo, what's going on, everyone? So today we are just going to take a look at the one thing I picked up today. This Matchbox Moving Parts, new for 2024 Porsche 718 Spyder RS that I found at my local Walmart today. I'm gonna open that up, and that's just from my bike chain, so don't worry about that. And this, if you haven't seen a couple of videos back, this is a mini GT of the Nissan GTR Nismo GT3. If you want to take a look at that video or take a closer look, it's available to watch. And also, real quick, this came out today. The new Walmart exclusive Mountain Dew, Dragon Fruit. Only had one sip when I first bought it today, but this replaced the Frostbite. Not too bad. All right, let's get into this. I did go on a little bit of a hunt today. So I started the day off at my local Walmart where I found this guy. And then in the Monster Jam dump bin, they had the new wave of Monster Jams out with the new packaging, if you haven't seen the new packaging yet. But anyways, in that dump bin, I found 4 of the Sparkle Smash training trucks, which is the chases for this year for Monster Jam. I did not pick one up because I don't really follow Monster Jam as much as I used to, and so if it was a different one, maybe I might pick it up, but it's Sparkle Smash, so that's kind of like one of the newer trucks, so I don't know who really drives that or whatever. But I found 4 of them. This looks pretty nice. Got the side mirrors, and of course it's convertible, so we got that nice look at the inside there. It's pretty good. And then at one of the other ones on the other end of town, I did see one of those Legend Store shippers, but I was definitely way too late for that, because anything good was basically gone for the most part. I mean, there was still a couple of decent things in there, but stuff I already have. But yeah, there's a nice look at that backside there. Porsche Spyder RS, and then the spot where there would be like a plate, it's got RS. It's focusing or not. It doesn't really want to show up on here. If I can get it closer. There we go. There's a clear shot. Boom. Alright. Let's see if we can do that for the front. There we go. Yeah. Got the headlights. And got the Porsche badge right there. And like that, you can see some of the metallic in there. It's a nice little sparkle. Cool. And then at a Publix grocery store, some more H case. Found another chill mill. 4th time coming across the chill mill. I left that behind as well because I already have 2 of those. So I've run across it 4 different times though. So that's been the easiest treasure hunt to find this year, is the chill mill from the H case. And this moving parts, we got the opening doors, which opened up pretty easy. This is nice. Yeah, that's the only thing I picked up today. Had a 5 Below. That's a Matchbox. Those the candy cars, little candy themed cars. And I did go to Target, but nothing new there. Literally nothing new. Yeah, this is very nice. Now the other car I'd like to find from this wave, because I was late to this, but this was still there surprisingly. There's the Volkswagen Cabriolet, like a convertible thing. If I find that one, I'll pick that one up. But I was surprised to find this morning. So that was cool. So at least I came home with something today. That is awesome. Very cool. This is one of the ones from the wave of moving parts that I did want. This one in the VW, so I'm looking for that Volkswagen one. But yeah, pretty cool. There we go. That nice. There's a bottom for you if you want to see the bottom. Oh, look at that. That's new. Oh, next to the Made in Thailand thing, got a little elephant. That's cool. Of course, if you didn't know, Thailand's known for the elephants. So that's a cool little touch. Cool. All right. Well, that's all I got for y'all today. Thank y'all for watching. And oh, real quick, look down at that subscriber count. Almost at 300. That's pretty awesome. I never even expected to make it past 50, so that's pretty cool. So anyways, thank y'all for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.